What's your name?
Akio.
Akiru what?
Adila.
How old are you?
3.
Can you count to 100?
Yeah.
Okay, count na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next to 4.
It's 5.
And then?
6,
And then?
7, 8, 9, 10.
What's next? Okay, walk.
11.
Continue. Continue.
Hmm?
Continue counting.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Back.
What's next to 23?
23. What else?
What's next to 23?
Ay, that's 24,
And then?
25,
Continuous lang.
Hmm?
Continuous counting. 25.
25, 26. Hindi ka na. 28, 29. At 12. What? That's 3.
30.
30.
30.
30.
What's next? Keep counting.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Very good.
41, 42, 43. I built 40, okay?
What's next to 42?
I built 40.
Okay, what's next to 42?
I said nga. I built 40.
Okay, build 40. And then next to 42?
I build.
Okay, build it na. And then what's next? 42?
It's not 40 yet.
Okay.
Because it's thick.
Okay, so we post muna ha. We build 40. Okay, continue. 42?
Is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Next to 60. 61?
62, 62, and I done?
Yeah. 64?
64.
What's next? What's next to 64?
I remember that.
What? 64? 60?
60, 70,
No, 64. No, next to 64. 65?
65, 68, 67, 65, 69. What number?
What's next to 69?
What is
69?
70?
Very good. What's next?
You know 70 is
Yeah.
rainbow.
Ah, yeah, it has rainbow. How many rainbows? 10 rainbows. Because it's 70. What's next to 70?
71,
Sabihin mo. What's next? Oh, excuse you.
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Yeah.
Faster. 81?
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and V.
What's next? What's next to 89? 9? 90.
91,
91?
92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Very good. What's next to 100? Do you know what's next to 100?
102,
I'm so coughing.
103, 102, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109.
100? 109? 100? What's next to 109? 110. Yay! Good job.